Hey fam, so we're turning from Hagrid to not so Hagrid. Let's get started straight away because I'm going to my girl's birthday. Yay! Hey, so my Hagrid face is gone and now I'm gonna start my base. I'm going to do like a pinky purpley look. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. I'm gonna use the Melissa Sassine. Oh my god, it's so dirty because I use it so much. Eyeshadow palette. So Biscuit, Rosebud, and Transition. And a little bit of X-Ray. So first of all, I'm gonna use Transition. And I'm gonna use X-Ray. And I'm gonna use the Rosebud on the middle of the lid. And then I'm gonna get a bit of the Biscuit and put it in here with a different brush. Stop it. These are my girl's lashes and they're called Florence. Hello. Well, where have you been all my life? B, so good. So I'm going to be using the All Nighter foundation. This is a huge risk that I'm doing. I have worn it before, but not for very long. So we'll see if it lasts all night, because if it doesn't, let's try it. This is about my color at the moment. This is a 775. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes. Contour on. Sorry, I had to do it off camera. I just used NW50 Studio Finish Concealer. Just using the Kylie Vanilla Highlight. It is so, so nice. And then the Barely Legal Blush by Kylie as well. Barely legal, totally legal. I'm 25. So old. Okay, so my face is all done. I hope you enjoyed that quick rushed look and I will see you next time. Bye.